Hi there, guys, girls, and, well, I don't know who else. My name is Addon, and today I'm going to be showing you a little something that I have, been discovered a little while ago. It's actually a Garry's mod, it's an add-on for Garry's mod. Like, it's pretty much what I review all the time. Today I'm just really going to be doing what I do regularly, doing a review of Garry's fireworks. Now, these fireworks are, pretty cool. And I've loaded up, Big City Night just to, since people just, it looks better at night, so just shoot the firework. That right there is the cracker, which is probably one of the smallest of the fireworks. And I'm about to set off the multi-cracker, which is just essentially a clusterfuck of, crackers. So I'll just let that burn out. It's really what it looks like from a distance. Yeah, so that's the wonderful cracker. It does create quite a bit of a mess. And, just to keep things short, the cracker box is just, just makes a mess. You probably shouldn't even bother using it unless you're using it with a blast. We have flares, like we have the blue flare, green flare, and, so on and so forth. Now, excuse my messy world work, I just couldn't be fucked, redoing it, so just press E. That should hopefully ignite the flare. You could probably use these flares, like, I don't know, you could probably use around 20 of these flares in series using wire mod 2. Just fancy up something that you're making, like, I don't know, like a car or something, or, even make a stage. There's also, wait, was it? I've also got some fountains over here, they are, just let them speak for themselves, really. They pretty much just blast out, I believe it's gunpowder. This one is the Eagle Fountain, and that one's the Starburst. So I'll just let those burn out. Really, if I had to give my comments so far, I'd probably say that the graphical effects on it are pretty fucking awesome. Now, with the Roman candles, these ones are just, they're pretty cool. Just press E to on them. You have the little Roman candle and the big one. Just let them shoot. Yep. Alright, they've just worn themselves out. So, yep, you've also got the rockets. Now, I couldn't be fucked doing a wire mod output for this, because let's just be honest here, no one will fucking do it anyway. So I'll just, straighten these out. These ones are a lot like the solid fuel booster. They just, blow up and all that. Like that one. They all look different, and in my opinion, they all look pretty phenomenal. There's not really a lot I can actually complain about. Green, and I'm pretty sure this one is. Yep. Well, apart from some very minor bugs, I really don't have a lot more to say. I think that the add-on that Garry, or whatever his name is, decided to make, was definitely an excellent investment of time. And really, if I had to give a rating for it, I'd say it'd be something like 8 out of 10. I do think that, there could be some things added to it, but again, I'm just really nitpicking. Then there's a circus siren that doesn't work. But yeah, what's your feelings on it? Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys. I'll leave a link to this add-on below.